dan kalian semuanya sehat ya. Karena janji kami akan membawa kalian ke dalam ya. Dan hari inilah mereka buka. Dan walaupun cuaca sangat jelek ya, hujan dan angin dan ya, tapi karena janji adalah janji, kami akan membawa kalian ke dalam Lantak House, ya kan?
Exactly. Yeah, like Fina mentioned, the weather is by no means as good as it was last when we came a week or two ago. But on the other hand, we're going inside today because when we came before, it was bright sunshine. But today, it's done. There's no problem.
Ya, yuk teman-teman ikuti terus perjalanan kami dan adventure kami di The Adventure of Fina and Tim. Nah teman-teman, ini adalah chapel kecil untuk berdoa atau gereja kecil ya untuk berdoa, masih terawat sangat baik sekali dan juga sudah mulai Christmassy ya, karena kami datang di sini tepat pada tanggal 1 Desember ya, dan hiasan-hiasan Christmas sudah dimulai.
Moment is animal crackers, and of course this is in honor of the approaching Christmas and the Christmas display, and it is very impressive. And those are sheep there, and the lady has told us that there is a fox, not a real fox, a model fox, to be found in every single room in this marvellous house. And it is particularly nice. There's a beautiful grand piano there, which is marvellous. And above there are lights playing on the roof. And there is Fina. So Fina, what do you think?
Ya, lihat teman-teman ya, ini adalah timnya Christmas. Lihat ini, bagus sekali untuk anak-anak, dan saya juga suka kalau pas lihat Christmas kayak gitu.
Now it's Christmas time. God bless the joy you're bringing. Laughing out loud as we dance like there's no tomorrow. Thank you for your time. I can't believe you're mine now. It's Christmas. Now it's Christmas time. Oh, Christmas bells are ringing for you and me. And the children keep singing. You know it's that time of the year. Santa's coming home for Christmas. Daddy's coming home.
Here is a stag, and that looks like some kind of kestrel or bird of prey, and that looks like a pheasant there, and it's a splendid Christmas decoration, isn't it? It's a mixture of old and new. Of course, you've got these modern kind of effigies, and then you've got the old stuff, which is again marvellous, and some marvellous tapestries. And the tapestries here is absolutely marvellous. And animal crackers come in and have a whale of a time. Fox is back and has brought more friends. They're making merry mischief through the house.
So, what are you doing at the moment? And kenapa kamu duduk? Ada apa di sana?
Well, I'm sitting here, and at the head of the table behind me is, maybe it's a pheasant, and there's a goose there, and a pig over there, and they're all sitting at this table, presumably ready to eat this splendid repast. Plenty of food of all kinds, including a hog's head and pineapples, which were very luxurious fruit in the olden times. And then on the table is a huge whale. And I think the question is the whale invited to the feast, or is he the kind of the food for the feast? And because of course it's like a message about the environment, and that while we are making merry, we're maybe not taking proper care of the environment. And so it does make you think, and it's it's a fascinating display. I see there are some artichokes too, and I've never had an artichoke, but I recognise the shape of an artichoke. Grapes, apples, cheeses, all kinds of fruits, grapes, and a splendid display of fruit and all kinds of foods, luxurious foods. So it is. It certainly makes you think: is the whale invited the feast, or is the whale part of the feast?
Well, it's time to let the kids know, yes, it's time to be married, to pick up the pieces of what you come in here.
You can see through the window. It is a splendidly green view, but it is rather rainy today and not as good as the weather that we enjoyed about 2 weeks ago when we came here. But this is a marvelous place.
Dan kebetulan ya, tahun ini adalah sudah ketiga kalinya theme park mereka adalah soal binatang ya, soal anak-anak. Dan menurut yang saya dengar bahwa theme park mereka itu akan berakhir tahun ini ya. Ini tahun ketiga ya. Jadi kita beruntung sekali kesini, walaupun sebenarnya kalau pas hari biasa dan tidak menjelang Christmas itu biasanya adalah hanya rumah kuno dan barang-barang kuno ya, nggak akan ada binatang-binatang yang seperti kami perlihatkan kepada kalian, tapi masih kan kalian bisa melihat barang-barang yang bersejarahnya ya kan.
Well, it is, and this is a marvellous room too. This seems to be the library, lots of books around, and there's also this theme of wildlife, like there's looks like a hare over there, and some kind of French elephant or something, so the whole place is marvellous because of course it's done up for Christmas, but this is a very nice kind of nook in the corner of the room, and you can imagine curling up here with a book, and with the rain outside, and you're looking out in the warmth, but looking out on the rain spattered land of winter time, and it is particularly nice, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely teman-teman ya, sangat enak sekali duduk di sini di dalam rumah ini. Kita bayangkan kalau rumah ini rumah kami, wow, tapi akan mahal untuk bikin pemanas ruangan dan segala macam. Yuk teman-teman, kita jalan lagi dan akan kami perlihatkan lagi. Ini unusual ya teman-teman. Ini di dalam rumah ini nggak biasa ya. Ini hanya terjadi karena akan dekat Christmas. Jadi hanya ada binatang-binatang karena itu tempat mereka ya. Tapi kalau yang biasanya nggak kayak
And me and the children keep singing, you know it's that time of the year.
Nah teman-teman, aku nggak tahu ini apa ya, represent apa ya, karena di situ ada seperti kacamatanya Elton John ya. Mungkin hanya seperti fun aja ya, karena ini memang Christmas season.
Like you used to tweet, mouse goes squeak, cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot, doesn't quack, the fish goes low.
Nah teman-teman, ini adalah bison ya, atau kalau bahasa kitanya sih kerbau gitu ya, kerbau-kerbauan, kerbau bohongan, tapi seperti kerbau. Coba kalian lihat ya, karena ini adalah represent untuk tahun ini adalah tahun binatang ya. Jadi ini seperti kain sih kayaknya ya, dibuat seperti kerbau, atau kita bilang di sini bison. Bagus kan? So teman-teman, terima kasih sekali ya untuk kalian yang sudah setia bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim. Walaupun pada kali ini kunjungan kami pada saat sekarang ini nggak seperti biasanya ya, karena theme park adalah dekat Christmas. Jadi Christmas kali ini sudah saya bilang ada 3 tahun bahwa mereka adalah theme park untuk anak-anak, yaitu dengan binatang-binatang. Mudah-mudahan kalian suka dan mudah-mudahan kalian tetap setia bersama kami di The Adventure of Vina and Tim. Kita jumpa lagi ya secepat.